So these are the diaries of a goat farmer. Um, so today we're at the farm. We're just there. I mean, the goats are looking good. Um, they're looking good. But can you see that goat there? It's got a bump on the side. So we were just at the farm today, and we actually noticed that several goats have got like that little bump or that little lump on the side. And that little lump, I just wanted to explain more about it and to show you how we have treated that. But otherwise, the goats are fine. As you can see, they all look like they're pregnant. As you can see, we are expecting um, babies soon. But can you see that lump on the side? So I've just asked the guys to just get it, and then let's actually take it a bit closer to us so that you can see. So that's the lump that we were seeing. So this is an abscess. And this is an abscess. So there is pus in there. If you press it, you see it's fluctuant. Like there's water in there, but there is actually some fluid in there. So there is pus, and that pus, it needs to be drained, because when it's like that now, it's very, very painful for the goats, and this can affect the feeding because it will be in pain. So as you can see, this is after we have cut it. Then we are actually now, this is another one that we cut, and that we now removed the pus. Can you see that whitish stuff? All that's pus. And can you see we have opened it up, and you can actually see that it's just there's a wound there. So you then take a bit of water, and then you just start cleaning the area, because this actually relieves the goat in terms of the pain. And sometimes when these abscesses go on and on, it can lead to infections, and once there's an infection in the body, it can die. So can you see we are washing? So the guys have got gloves there, the farm, so we're actually just washing that so that it's nice and clean. So when you see that abscess, you wait for it to be fluctuant, you cut it, and then you drain the abscess, and then you wash it with water, as you can see the guys are doing there at the farm. So these are not things that you need a vet to do. You can actually just do this by yourself at the farm. If the guys are adequately trained, they'll be able to do these things. So the goat will actually get relief of the symptoms, and then you would actually start to see them eating better and things like that, because that was actually very painful. So after we clean it like this, we have to now prevent infection, because it's now an open wound. So the way we do that is we then use what we call the wound oil. So that's wound oil. So we actually just pour a little bit in there. I think we used too much there, but anyway, it shouldn't have touched the wound. But anyway, so that's wound oil. So you rub a little wound oil there. So this has got some antibacterial properties and antiseptic properties. And remember, this is contained in that kit that I showed you in my other video. And then this is now wound powder. So we just put a little bit of wound oil, wound powder, and it's done. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channels.